Welcome students to the second session of science chapter first. Uh, Last time I have given a homework to you. The answer of this homework is here. After then we will continue the chapter. In every chemical reaction there is some changes occur. We can observe some changes just like change in color. Whenever chemical reaction occurs, sometimes the color is changed the in the product color. After then change in state of physical state, just like solid, liquid or gaseous. The physical state is also change. Evolution of gas, sometimes gas is evolved. Change in temperature, heat is evolved or absorbed. Evolution of light or spark or sound. So these changes we observed in the chemical reaction, which uh, help us to determine whether the chemical reaction has taken place. So during chemical reaction, these changes will occur. Now, chemical equations. So chemical equations are chemical equations are the symbolically presentation of chemical reaction. The chemical reaction, if we symbolize the chemical or compounds in the form of a reaction, it calls chemical equations. Just like uh, in the activity first, we already learned that a clean magnesium strip when burnt in air gives white powder of magnesium oxide. So this reaction is presented in simply word form. Magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. Right hand side there are reactants, and after chemical reaction uh, the products will return in the right hand side. Now we write this chemical equation in symbolic form as Mg plus O2 gives MgO, where Mg stands for magnesium, O2 oxygen or air, and gives magnesium oxide is the product. This reaction is unbalanced reaction. Why? So last year we have already studied the law of conservation of mass. Mass can neither be created nor destroyed in the chemical reaction. The total mass of the elements present in the product of the chemical reaction has to be equal to the total mass of the elements present in the reactants. It is also known is in other words, it is also called the in both side, left hand side and right hand side, the total mass is equal. So the numbers of atoms each element remains before and after the chemical reaction. So during the chemical reaction, no new products or no new products are formed or no loss of any reactants, but every atoms of each element remains same. So we have this chemical reaction to be balanced. In equation magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. So if we compare left hand side and right hand side, the magnesium both the side one atom, but oxygen is not balanced. So we write 2 before magnesium oxide. Then the magnesium in the right hand side, magnesium is 2 and oxygen is also 2. Again, magnesium is unbalanced. So we have to write 2 in the front of magnesium. So this balance reaction is written as 2 Mg plus O2 gives 2 MgO. It is also non-informative. To make this chemical reaction more informative, the physical equation uh, more acha, to make chemical reaction more informative, the physical state of all the reactants and products should be mentioned: S for solid, L for liquid, and G for gaseous state. Aqueous is for aqueous solution, which is solution in the water. And pressure, temperature, and catalyst, etc., can be written on the arrow. So this reaction now is informative reaction. The 2 Mg solid plus O2 gaseous on the arrow burn because magnesium ribbon is burnt in air. 2 magnesium oxide in a solid form, light and heat are evolved. So in this, okay, now this is a unbalanced reaction. We may try this reaction to be balanced. So here in first chemical reaction, aluminium hydroxide plus sulfuric acid gives aluminium sulfate and water. So aluminium hydroxide. So now compare both the side, left hand side and right hand side. SO4 SO4. So first we balance SO4. SO4 right hand side 3 SO4s, but left hand side 1. So we can write left hand side, we write 3 because here SO4 is 3. Now aluminium is 2. Now in the front of aluminium hydroxide we return 2. Now OH3, and here 3 to the 6 hydrogen. Oxygen 3 to the 6 oxygen. H 3 to the 6 hydrogen. So 6 plus 6 12 hydrogen. So here we have 2 hydrogen. If we write here 6, then it is 12 hydrogen and 6 oxygen. This equation is balanced. If this type of reaction, if we balance this type of reaction, both the side, the charge remains, charge should be remain same, and also the elements and the atoms should be same. So here aluminium is 1, here aluminium is 1, but charge is plus 3. Hydrogen is 2, charge is 1. If we balance the charge, the atom will be unbalanced. So we write here 2 aluminium, 6 hydrogen, 2 Al plus 3 and 3 H2. So it means 2 aluminium, 2 aluminium. In right hand side 6H plus, here 0. 6H plus, 3 to the 6X plus. Or 6 hydrogen, 6 hydrogen. The reaction is balanced. Okay. Okay. Now, in the same manner, every chemical reactions can be written. For more example, see page 3.4 and 5 of the science textbook. In a text question, this is the homework. So you have to write this homework in your notebook.